In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay wages using Xero. Running payroll can often seem like a daunting task, but with Xero it's made surprisingly simple. Today, we're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll feel confident handling payroll on your own. First things first, let's head over to Xero's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to proceed. This will bring you to the login page where you will enter your email and password. Make sure you have these details handy to avoid any interruption in the process. After typing in your credentials, click on the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, navigate to the business tab. You'll find this option on the top menu. Hovering over it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but for payroll purposes, we're interested in the pay run option. Click on it to move on to the next step. Upon clicking Pay Run, you're brought to a page where you can see any previously created pay runs and the option to create a new one. Here you'll want to select New Pay Run. This action opens up a new payroll cycle for you to input employee hours, salaries, and any other compensation details. Before we get into the specifics of the pay run, it's crucial that we have our employees set up in the system. If you haven't done so already, here's how. Look for an option to add an employee's first name and fill it in. Follow it up by adding the employee's last name. The interface is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through necessary fields such as employment details and payment rates. Once you've entered all the relevant information for your employee, remember to click Save. This step ensures that all the details you've just entered are stored and ready for payroll processing. Next up, we need to detail the pay frequency and payment date. This is important because it determines how often your employees are paid and when they should expect their earnings. Choose the pay frequency that suits your business operations best, be it weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc. After that, select the payment date that aligns with your chosen frequency and business practices. Having configured these settings, click on Next. This will take you to the next stage of the process where you input the payment details for this specific pay run. Here you can review hours worked, adjust salaries if needed, and add any additional earnings or deductions for each employee. After meticulously checking that all the information entered is accurate and complete, proceed to click on Save. This action doesn't finalize the pay run just yet, but it does save your progress, allowing you to review or make adjustments before the final submission. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to processing payroll in Xero. Remember, accuracy is key in payroll processing, so always double check your entries. Also, familiarize yourself with the local tax laws and regulations to ensure compliance at all levels. Running payroll doesn't have to be complicated, and with Xero, it's as streamlined as it can get. By following these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing payroll, allowing you more time to focus on growing your business. If ever in doubt, Xero offers comprehensive guides and customer support to assist you through any hurdles. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial demystifies payroll processing in Xero for you, and that you feel more confident in tackling it on your own. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Happy payroll processing!